In Upper La Floresta, over at $625,000. Paseo de la Pesca Street. The west side of the street, neighboring giant laurel trees. Front garden and the driveway to the garage. And the front terrace. Hacienda-looking space with terracotta tiles and a loose fountain. Outdoor welcoming gesture on this building. Walking in, the living room, corner fireplace, the dining area, and the kitchen room. Center island, granite countertops on the sides, and modern appliances distribute around this full-size kitchen. The back terrace cover outdoor space and contain stone tiles and a center fireplace. Space to enjoy the year-round spring weather. Full-size barbecue area, grass, and color centering the outdoor mural of this property. A dense space, and 3 complete bedrooms in this property.
A good bill. Hacienda-themed outdoor decor, front and back. Large rooms, close to the main road and bicycle path. For those looking for great mobility in a quiet neighborhood, Upper La Floresta, Upper Ajijic.
Its time and price comparable is Margaret Court Street at the Racket Club, San Juan, Cosela. And compare with the following dimensions in length and construction. Its area comparable on the same street, published on March week 1, 2024, a larger lot unit with a price difference of 1% US dollars and minus 4.7% Mexican pesos.
Hi, my name is Manny Castañeda and I love when my clients feel truly safe. So let me tell you one of the other things I can help you with. Besides doing pest control services successfully for many years here in Lakeside, I have always helped people to find the great place or area where they could easily continue their life without any problems. We also would like to help you with either renting, buying, selling, or finding a place where you can feed yourself without any surprises further ahead.
Disclaimer: